guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, Sweet and Short with Odrija. In today's video, we are going to talk about a simple, effective hair care routine for the winters. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay, this is going to be a very short video where I have divided the video into four parts. I'll be discussing about the shampoos first, then the conditioner and the hair masks, and also the hair serums before and after the shower. So here we go. First, we are going to talk about the shampoos. Recently, I'm using a combination, like a duo combination of two. যেখানে first is BBlunt Salon Like Hair Intense Moisture Shampoo. Deeply nourishes and adds shine. It does. You can see this. I have done my shampoo day before yesterday, and just look at the shine and glow it is giving still now. It's just the beginning of the winter, and we all want a very clear skin and smooth and silky hair. I can tell you this is a OG combination and it's really affordable. I don't remember the price now, but I got them both in a sale. You can go with this shampoo and the conditioner. Shampoo and the conditioner, sorry. Both of them does wonder. Okay, now we also know that during winters we tend to have a lot of dandruff. So I really avoid using hair oils. But as I have smoothen hair, I have a lot of chances of breakage, hair breakage. So I use this instead. That is only on the length I use, not on the scalp. Before shower, I use this. This is Metallic Bond Repair Complex by Minimalist. It's an OG product. Believe me, I'm using this. It's almost completed. I don't know you can see it or not. I'm just doing this video on my laptop, guys, because my phone's halat is really bad. So this one is the Minimalist Bond Complex. This is post shower. So first you're going to use that. After that, you are normally going with your shampoo, this one. And if you're having a lot of hair fall, I recommend you this one. This is Love Beauty and Planet Hair Fall Plus Control Sulfate Free Shampoo. This is really good. And the smell is amazing. Also, this too smell is amazing. You'll smell like a cupcake, vanilla cupcake in this winter, and who doesn't want that? Okay, so moving on to the hair serums, and then I'll talk about the conditioners and the hair mask. I know I'm just bits jumbling it up, but believe me, this is my first video, so maybe this is how it's going to work. Okay, the first one I love is the L'Oreal Extenso Care. I already have two bottles and it's completely over. And if you're going to go on a very affordable side for the college students, I'll ask you to buy this. This is Streaks Professional Hair Serum. It gives a glossy finish, but this one is lighter. This one is lighter, I'll say. This one is a bit thicker consistency, but this smells amazing. Amazing. Even my dad uses this. And the best product I bought recently is this, the Wish Care Growth Serum. We all have heard about this, and everybody on internet is like dying for this product. It does change a lot. I'll say that it improves your hair quality, because last month only I was seeing that my hair was, becoming very frizzy, very uncontrollable. But after I started using this regularly, like not regularly, I don't have time to use it regularly, so I do it the alternate days, and it does wonder. It does wonder. You can see the baby hair growths here. Can you see the baby hair growth? It is this product who made it. Okay, now let's come to the conditioners. First, I'll talk about this conditioner. See, this has no connection with this. When you're talking about me, I'm just using these two products to get the best best results. Okay, but I can also give you the affordable side things which are going to help you. Okay, this smells amazing. This one, this is L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture 72 hours moisture sealing conditioner. This has hyaluronic acid, detangles and locks in moisture. It does wonder, but I'll talk about this for people who are having curly and wavy hair. Go for this, guys. This is really good. And if you are a smoothen girl, what did I say, even say? If you are a person who has gone through chemical treatments like me and has a semi, straightened hair, then go with this Matrix Opticare 72 hours washes. This is nice. This is very nice for smoothing hair. Along with this, use the Opticare shampoo also. Like you should use both of it. My shampoo is complete, so I couldn't show you that. I only have the conditioner left, so seldomly I use it. And one thing I want to tell you guys is that whatever product you're using, be consistent in that. Don't just switch one from another. You need to be consistent. Then only you can see the result. Without that, you can't judge anything. And sorry for the background noises. I'm really sorry. Hey guys, now we're going to talk about the hair mask, which is the Plum Hair Mask Mega Moisturizing for chemically treated hair. Anyone who has gone through any chemical treatments like smoothing, straightening, or any other thing can use this mask. This, when it comes to its consistency, it has a thick, dense consistency. You can see it, and it has a decent amount which you can use for like 2 to 3 months. I use a very small quantity of it. That's the reason I think I'm using this for 6 months, and it's a nice product. It's a bit heavy on my hair lengths, so I avoid this nowadays. But earlier during the summer, it was really nice. I used to use this a lot, and after that, I used to put on this hair cap, spa hair cap. This is a very nice product for girls who are in hostels now or in colleges, because we don't get to have salon like treatments there. So the alternative, cheaper and effective alternative is this spa hair cap. You'll get it on Amazon, I think for 300 rupees. So please go for this product. It'll provide steam. So I'm telling you how it is done. First, you apply, take a decent amount of this hair mask after you're done with your shower, just washing your hair with the shampoo, then applying this all over your lengths and also the scalp and massaging it for some time. Then doing a bun or in just putting the scalp on, and then it provides you steam. So you know the beneficials of like how steam benefits your hair. It's really beneficial from that point of view. It provides a lot of moisture and makes your hair very silky and smooth. It'll get a salon like finish. So go for this product. Yes, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you all liked my video. Do like, subscribe my channel for more such contents, and I'll be doing other hauls and makeup videos if you guys want. And I'll be also doing a skincare routine. If you guys want that from me, please do comment about it and share it with your friends and also the college students, because I feel this is a very affordable haul for most of the college students, and it is a very effective routine. If you're consistent with it, you'll get to see the results. Thank you.